Assalamualaikum grade 7th online with computers. Grade 7th, now we are going to start exercise of chapter number 6. Students will highlight key terms and learn them. First one is square root, second ASCII. Now we are going to start exercise. Students will solve this exercise by yourself, otherwise tally your exercise with this solved exercise. Question number 8, choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number B, fill in the blanks. First one is second, third, fourth, fifth. Question number C, tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number D, answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are chapter number 6, page number 85, exercise questions. Question number 1, define string. Answer, a string is a group of characters and numbers are special characters enclosed within double quotes. Example, computer. Question number 2, what are the two types of library function? Answer, library functions are of two types: string function, numeric function. Question number 3, what do you mean by numeric function? Answer, numeric function in QBasic which are designed to perform some mathematical operations such as finding square root of a number, mod, exponential values, etc. Question number 4, define absolute value. Answer, the absolute function is used to find the absolute value of a number. It deletes the negative sign of a number. Question number 5, explain the use of left function and right function. Answer, left string function. The left string function is used to display the string characters starting from the leftmost position. Right function. The right function is used to display the string characters from the right of the string. Question number 6, explain the mid function. Answer, mid function. The mid function is used to get the specified number of characters from the middle of the string. Question number 7, explain the use of square function with example. Answer, square function calculates the square root of a number. Example, print square 4 returns 2. Question number 8, explain the use of int function. Answer, the int function is used to return an integer value for a number. It returns the largest integer less than or equal to the number. Question number 9, explain the use of date and time function. Answer, date function. The date function is used to display the current date on the output screen. Print date returns current date. Time function. The time function is used to display the current time on the output screen. Question number 8, explain the use of lowercase and uppercase function with example. Answer, lowercase. The lowercase string function is used to convert the given string into lowercase. Uppercase. The uppercase function is used to convert the given string into uppercase. Question number 11, explain the use of absolute function and value functions with examples. Answer, Absolute function. The absolute function is used to find the absolute value of a number. It deletes the negative sign of a number. Example, print absolute -5 returns 5. Value function. The value function is used to highlight a number from a string. Example, print value 1 to 3 hello returns 1 2 3 means values.